Under the Classwork tab, you can create topics. These topics might be today's lesson, and what this allows for is top billing, and so there is no confusion as to what needs to be done here. So if I'm, yikes, okay. So if I wanted to create an assignment under here, I would say, again, however you're going to organize it, and we'll talk about all these issues later, but the big thing is I put it under the topic here under today's lesson, and I assign it. And then that way that would fall under that topic. Then when I'm ready to do, when it's tomorrow and I need to switch this lesson out, all I need to do is edit it and change that topic to perhaps archived or a different, however you're going to organize it. So then it no longer is seen under today's lessons. The other benefit of topics is when the classwork stream gets really long, you can, jump straight to it. So if I were teaching English, perhaps I would call it, Of Mice and Men, and then have the lessons underneath there. With today's lesson at the top, or this week's lesson. So you can see, because we kind of evolved in the spring, I had this week's activities for remote learning, and then when we were doing the credit for no credit. But when things were, pre-COVID, I would have things under Unit 5. And what we also want to talk about too is whatever works for you as far as your naming conventions, so that you can easily find and go in order. Some people actually number their assignments, and then it's numbered in X2 so the student can easily find it. Because I was using code.org, it was defined by units and lessons. So, but again, clicking in here would allow for the student to see the entire agenda and all the information here. So, but just to be clear again, if we separate them by topic, and these topics can be easily moved around, I think it makes it easier for students to review, and for them to also find like resources that you commonly use. So my resources is all the way at the bottom. And yeah, so that's why I think organizing with topics is the way to go. Thanks.